ఓకే. సో మనం ఈరోజు ఏం చూద్దాము అని స్క్రీన్ ఫ్లోలోనే విల్ క్రియేట్ an ఎంప్లాయీ. ఓకే.
Okay.
Same as like you did. So we'll take the company information and we'll confirm in the start screen. Okay. First, in the first field, we will take details of an employee. Okay.
Okay.
In the next field, we'll take the company name as a lookup, and in third field, we will pass the confirm. Okay. Let me
Flows.
employee. We don't have name, I think. Employee name and all. We'll create some fields. Okay. New. Text field of the name. Ki.
Text field.
Okay. Mhm. So employee name. Mhm.
అక్కడ ఏ పడ్డది బ్రో
Okay.
బ్రో అక్కడ ఎంప్లాయీ స్పెల్లింగ్ లో ఏ వచ్చింది చూడండి
Okay. Okay. This will go to all. Next. Right. Right. So go home and select. Right. Yesterday we have created one flow, right? So here also we can search flows. Okay. So we can create filter to sells the flows and filter. So flow label employee, right? Flow label contains. So we created a flow create employee, right? So, employee. Okay. Done. So create, create, create employee, create employee. That same flow itself, so we can modify the same. Just we are having phone and email, right? We will add one more text. Text will name. So this is employee name. Employee name will create as required. Okay. And we have some. This is called footer. Okay, footer of the screen, and this one is called header of the. So the header of the screen always be the name of the flow label, flow label name.
heading
Okay, heading. Okay, always the header is flow label name, and we can actually we can make the changes in this. Okay, we
okay.
can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font of the header. Okay, we can change the colors and the font container. This is a container color.
Uh,
Okay, the same. Okay, and border color you can make. Okay, now
okay.
this is the radius, border radius, and we can by using this we can adjust the
Okay.
radius of the border. Okay, around finish. Hmm. Weight of the border. This is we can increase the weight uh, like this. Okay,
Okay. It will be like form.
form like a form. Okay, we see header style. This is for the header style. This is for the font color. So we can make it
Okay.
as uh, blue color. See,
Okay.
okay? And size also we can uh, increase and decrease
Yeah. Okay.
like that. We can do here. And this is for the buttons. This is for the button. So border radius. This is for- okay. This is next star is only for the next star finish button. So and weight also. And increase the
Okay.
size of the button. Okay. These things
Okay.
no one will tell you. Just will create and okay, you need to find the background color. This is the background color. So
Okay.
we will set the background color light. What are that? We will this is how. So we can set up color. We can customize the screen.
Okay.
So this is a footer. Okay, this is footer. For the footer, so we have configure header and configure footer. So we can set up help text and we can hide and we can hide the we can show the header. So by checking on this box, we can show the header. By
Okay.
unchecking this box, so we can hide the header. Okay,
Okay.
this is
Okay.
this is for the help text. Okay, so we show the header. Okay, and now this is for the footer. This is for the footer.
Okay.
Okay, and for the buttons, this one next button. So we can, if you want, we can use the custom label for the button. So we can use next as well. Okay, next,
Oh.
next instead of next,
Okay.
we
For
can
next
can
page.
relabel the button here. So use custom label mix, so we can relabel the button. Okay, so if you want hide, so we can just click on the hide.
Okay.
And if we want a standard label, so it will default label field will be displayed. Okay. So as of now,
Finish.
we are using next one. Okay.
Custom label.
Hmm. And previous button. But this is for the previous. So if you want, we can use the custom label and we can use the standard ones. Okay. Or
Okay.
we can find the
I will hide.
button. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So as of now, we will
And keep the
use
standard.
this standard label. And next
Or
one
else
is
we
a
can keep as
pause.
back also, no?
Yeah, back also. We can
Okay.
rename the back also. Okay, like this.
Okay.
So pause is renamed as back. As of now,
Okay.
pause is not needed. We are adding them. Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
and screen properties. Okay. Style. So for the previous button. So, so hover. If we hover the mouse, so what screen will be visible? So how what is the color of the background? If you hover that, we can decide.
Okay.
Okay. And I'm not changing that. Okay. And this is for the preview. But so whatever we have for the this one will set for 10 this time. And this is in the run right. So it will, uh, yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This how we can customize this window. Okay.
We can
This page.
we can keep any logos across in this.
We can keep logos. There is a image component is there, so we can
Or display
display.
image.
Okay. So the image name, general alignment, and API name, image says height, width. Okay,
Okay.
we can use this one.
Everything we have to set here and we have to.
Mm, okay,
Okay.
the, so the first screen is done. Now the next one is, so we have to select the company, right?
Okay.
For
Text.
that lookup component, we will use we will use. So this lookup component is basically works as the custom lookup in the record type. Okay, we see here to like a search box. Okay, um, we are selecting the client right here, client name. Okay, so here, so we are selecting with the like a search box, right, for the lookup number. This is a lookup
Yeah.
field. So, so we are it works as a search component. Okay, so the same behavior will reflect in the flow as well. Okay, what is the API name? API name is okay, whatever the API name you want, so client name. Okay, client. So remember that so that will not be spaces in the API. What is the field API name? So account ID. Account ID. Okay. Label. What is the label? Client name. Client, client name. What is the field API name? What is the field API name?
Client name.
This field API name we want. Okay. Client name underscore underscore. Okay. Okay, we'll check in the back. Going to employee project. I will check for the client. This is field. The name is account. Okay, field API account. Okay, field API name is what is there? Account. Okay, so just like I will configure the footer section. Okay, now just I want the previous page, like the previous page. So I don't need this one pause button. Okay, and I need to enable this the finish button. So next, go to confirm page. Okay, go to confirm.
Mm.
Okay, go to confirm. Okay, go to confirm. This is previous page. Okay, and that this is I need to here I need to give the name
Okay.
for the screen. Okay, screen. Select select slide. Done. See here we are
Okay.
selecting the client. So just in the next screen as you did, so I'm adding the screen. Just I will add a checkbox to confirm. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Confirm the details given in the previous screen. Um, confirmation. This one is confirmation. Okay, confirmation screen. The checkbox is confirm the data. Confirm the data. Okay. So, and this is default value will be false. Okay. Before
Okay.
selection of this unticketing the checkbox, it should be false, right? So I'm selecting the default. Default is false. Okay. So I will make this as I will make this as required. Okay. There is no required uh, field. So how can I make this required? So I will create a formula here. Okay. So how to create a formula here? So use the resource. Okay. So,
Formula.
formula. Okay. If so, so we have to create a formula. If false. Okay. If checkbox is false, data type is boolean. Okay. So we have to insert the reason. So what is a confirmation screen? If confirmation screen,
Equal to.
okay,
Okay.
confirmation screen, tell me. If confirmation, let's see, doesn't refresh. If confirmation screen getting so mm, confirmation screen dot confirm data. So here it is. Here only it is coming. So no need of formula. So formula. Okay. So I'm writing a message. So please confirm. No need of formula there. If there is any number, something tricky ones is there, so we'll create it for formula. We are just Boolean, right? So we can directly put it. Please confirm the data given in uh, as part of employee. Okay.
Okay.
And this should be in the red color font, right?
Okay.
We'll make that willing to the size also. So here, this has been. So now we have to assign other values also, right? Phone number is done, and name. We will take name, employee name. So employee name, where we have added the first. So this we will directly take from the employee. Next one, client. Client name is we have to take from the seconds. Client name the record ID. We need to take it as record. We need to take the value of record ID always for the lookup. Okay, not the name. Okay, and then okay, and here we will use a decision. Okay, we'll use a decision because without confirming, we should not create the record, right? So
Yeah.
we'll use a decision. Okay, just confirmation of date. So, confirmation of okay, so confirmation of data. So there will be two parts, right? So confirm, confirm, confirm. Okay. So the resource is so we have to select from the confirmations. Confirmation screen dot confirm data is equal to global constant true.
True.
Okay. This is confirm. So when yes, when it is confirmed, so we have to create employee data. So for the default outcome, so we need to end the flow. Okay, but
Okay.
we have to stay on the confirmation screen itself without if he is not confirmed. Okay, if he without confirming, if he clicks on the next button, okay, we have to still stay on the confirmation screen. For that, we will use confirmation screen. We will again will connect to the confirmation screen. Okay,
Okay.
so here we will use see here resource connector. Okay, the resource connector we will use again will connect to the confirmation screen.
Information.
So what is this use is so when you the checkbox is not ticked and you are clicking on the next button, so it will again will goes to the same screen itself.
Okay.
So it will. not forward to the next step. Okay, and also mm, there is two. We'll run and we'll run the flow and we'll see. See, so we have created in the yellow, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Right. So phone number is complete. Email email.com and we'll click on the next. Here, don't access to the records. So I don't access to the I don't have access to the account. I think
Oh,
that's why it is access to this because ask admin to access. So to check the access, where should we have to go?
in
Hmm?
profile,
To go. Okay,
advanced user
created.
details, prof,
Okay,
the system
and
profile, system
admin,
administrator,
and admin. Okay, edit,
down, edit.
edit, edit. We need to go to the employee.
Yeah.
Hmm, create edit topic. Letting me to one minute. Edit this one. Save. I will save. I will debug. Shiva. Great. Gmail.com. Next. Yeah, not having.
Just to verify the admin for the help to request access.
Go to confirm and then confirm the data. Okay. And next, your flow is finished. Okay. Your flow is finished. Let me see the record is created. Okay. See, the data is created, the record is created, but the lookup value is not created. Why? Because you don't have access. You see, uh,
Bro, without entering client name, how it got finished?
client is a lookup,
Okay, option.
not master. That's been.